Installations for our Inside Out project. Today we're going to be working with Mamp, which is Mac's version of WAMP. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google, type in Mamp, and bring it up. Click on the first one, which is Mamp and Mamp Pro. Now we're going to download. You see here it shows Mamp, Mamp Pro. It's all combined in one. We're going to save the file. And I'm saving mine to my desktop, which I've already gone ahead and done. You can save the file to wherever you want, so I'm going to cancel that out. I'm going to minimize it, cancel, and there it is. Double click on it. It's going to open up the installer. Introduction, yes. Installs Mamp, Mamp Pro, application directories. Continue. Choose your language, English in my case. Continue. I'm going to agree. And I'm going to install. And validate. It's going to take about 2.5 minutes. So when it's ready, I will come back to it and we'll look at it then. Almost done. Less than a minute to go, and it was installed successfully. We'll close that down. Now it's going to be in our Launchpad. We'll come over. I'm going to just click on Mamp. I don't need the Pro version. We can start our servers, but first we're going to go to Preferences. When starting Mamp, we can have it automatically start our servers for us. Ports, don't really worry about those right now. PHP, make sure you're using the right version. You can turn the cache on or off. I leave it off. Web server, we're going to use Apache. And this tells us where our route's going to be. It's going to be on our Macintosh HD under Applications, Mamp, and HT Docs. That's where our web pages will be set up. MySQL is fine. We don't have to worry about the cloud because we're not using it. We'll go ahead and start our servers. And if you notice over here, my SQL server started and now my web server is up. If you want to learn a little bit more about your version, it tells you here you're up. PHP info, always a good place to look. Tells you in Apache, tells you what you're using for your PHP core, headers, curl, the date, the domain. You can delve deep into that, which Brian does cover in his programs. My website, there's nothing there because I don't have anything set. Start, tools, and then everything's loaded. So we'll go ahead and close down Safari for the moment. Like I said, it's all sitting here, so we're going to go into our Finder, Applications, find Mamp. It's all alphabetical. Find our HT Docs, which is right here. There's nothing in there right now. This is where you're going to create your projects like you did in WAMP. So you could go in there and put in Web 115, 100, what have you, and then also tie that back into your Dreamweaver, your Atom, your brackets, whatever you're using, and you should be able to just run it from there. So today we'll end there. If you have any other questions, we'll go get hold of Brian through either Slack, email, or myself through Slack or email. And we thank you. You have a great day.